Are you on Instagram every day, looking at photos, liking photos, and not getting paid for doing that? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $200 just by liking Instagram photos. If you're interested, stay tuned. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. Okay guys, I'm at the Google Play Store and I put up this app called Make Money with Givey Social. So as you can see here, it has 1 million downloads and 172K reviews. Now let's just click on the screenshot so we can learn a little bit more about this app. Now it says here, get paid for daily activities. And you're going to upload images and get cash. And withdraw to virtual wallet. Real money prizes. And you're going to be viral and make money. Now let me scroll down here so we can learn a little bit more about this app. So Givey Social is the right place to make money, earn money for being awesome, for being you. Givey Social is where your interest connects you to your people. Givey Social is the top 2022 mobile app that pays real money prizes. Get paid for your daily activities. It is a place for freedom and creativity. Last but not least, it is a place to make money. So guys, what are you going to be doing is just uploading images, liking images, and get paid for doing that. Now let's just look at the ratings and review. So the rating is 4.5 out of 5 stars. That's real good, guys. Excellent. And let's read a couple of reviews here. So this person right here says, I really love this idea. Obviously it needs a few things to be really great. So this person said they like the app, but they just said it needs a few things to make it great. So guys, I want to let you know this app is kind of new. Haven't been around for a while. It's just coming out this year. So this is the perfect time to get on this app when it's not oversaturated and you can start making money real fast. Now let's read another review here. So this person right here says it's one of awesome app from online playing games and paid survey apps, but it will be very great if there was more wide world payment methods like Payoneer, wire transfer, direct deposit. Now guys, I have a bonus app I want to show you. So I'm going to go ahead and go to that bonus right now. But if you want to go ahead and start this app, go ahead and go to Make Money with Givey Social in the Google Play Store. Now let me go to the bonus app. Okay guys, I'm at the next app, and name of this app is Make Money with Givey Videos. So it's the same company, but they have another app where you can make money with their videos. So let's just look at the screenshot right quick. So you can make money listening to music. You can redeem real cash, withdraw real money, more videos, more coins, and you can watch to earn and get paid for daily activities. So make money by listening to music and watch videos. Unique, awesome platform for listening to music and earning money. Listen to your favorite songs and podcasts and receive coins for staying in the app. So make money and get paid to play music and watch videos. Givey Videos is a free music app want to earn extra money while listening to music and watching your favorite videos. So that's all you're going to be doing on this app, guys. Just watching videos, listening to music, and making money. Now let's look at the rating. So out of 5 stars is 4.6. Excellent, guys. Excellent. And let's look at one review. So this person right here says, great app. It is super easy to use, an easy way to get a few extra bucks for doing something I do almost all day long. So that person's very happy with this app, guys. All you have to do is just download it, listen to music, watch videos, get paid. Go ahead and get started on this app. Go to the Google Play and look up Make Money with Givey videos. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please subscribe, hit that like button, share this video, drop a comment. Let's get this channel to 8,000 subscribers. And if you want to watch more videos and learn how to make even more money, check out these videos right here. Peace and have a prosperous day.